Okay, so today we're going to talk about why you need a latch guard. But before we discuss why you need it, you need to know what it is. So what a latch guard is a guard or a piece of metal that protects your latch. Okay, so a common way that thieves get in is they put a credit card or try to pry the latch, get some space between the door, get some clearance so that a door can be forced open. So a latch guard is what you put on your door to protect against that. There's many different types of latch guards. There's time for metal doors, in-swinging doors, out-swinging doors, storefront glass doors, wood doors, metal doors, you name it. There's all different types of latch guards. So I have a board up here. There's a couple different styles here. These are just some Entry Armor is one of the brands we tend to stick with when we're installing these. So we have some that are a little bit longer that can clearance around maybe a deadbolt and a knob. You have some that are cut out a little bit, so a lever can be here and it kind of cuts out around the lever, and it just protects that crease between the door where the door and the frame meet. These overlap that and give you some protection. And you also have for in-swinging doors, it's a little bit different because you can mount this to the face of the door, and as the door comes out, it stays on it and closes back. But if it's an in-swinging door, you have to go with something like this. It's interlocking for opening doors that open inward. So it kind of works like this. You have one that mounts on the door, one that mounts on the frame, and they just interlock as they come together. And that's what these are all right here. Pretty much from here on are different lengths of in-swinging latch guards. So there's many different types. Here's even another different type right here. Kind of goes around where the bolt goes in and protects the door. There's all different types of these things that come in different colors, different lengths, different styles and everything. But this is very important. This is very important when protecting against break-ins, because the number one way is either kick in the door or pry it open, and this protects against prying it open. So next we're going to I'm going to kind of take one out of the package and show you how an in-swinging latch guard works. Okay, so this is a in-swinging latch guard. So if you notice, they kind of fit into each other like that, and you can't get anything between them. So on the door, this is how it installs. This piece would go right here, mounted to the door. So as you open the door, it stays with the door. And then on this side, you would take this and screw this into the frame like that, so that when the door comes, they interlock and you can't get anything between them. So every time the door opens, it would swing like that. So that is an in-swinging latch guard. They come in different lengths. There's some that are half the size of this, different colors, but these are a very good solution for keeping people out, especially if you just have a lever on it and you don't have a deadbolt. This works great for that. We also have some different styles besides the one we already showed you that work on storefront glass doors. So let's head over to the storefront glass door and show you those. Okay, so another popular latch guard is one of these types right here. It goes on a storefront glass door. This is a storefront glass door, and this is one of the most popular types of doors on a retail center, especially. So this is our front door, and first thing we did is we put a latch guard on here, because one of the most common things they do to break in is they pry open the door, get some space, get the lock to separate from the frame, and then open the door. So on this one, it's just a plate screws in through the door, and then there's a mushroom pin on the bottom here that you just hammer it in, and it kind of locks in behind the door and holds it in place. So this is the most common style for these types of doors, but there's another style right here that I have. This one, same thing, goes right around the cylinder, 2 bolts through the door. So storefront glass doors and interior doors with the ones we already talked about before, latches, wood doors, metal doors, it doesn't matter what kind of door you have, we have a solution for all of them. Okay, so hopefully that answers your question of why you need a latch guard. The reason being is it's a simple fix to protect your door. Why wouldn't you have a latch guard? It's first thing I put on this door. When we opened this door, I said we need to put a latch guard on there, because the most common way people get into those kind of doors, the storefront glass doors, they pry them open. So like I said, they come in all different shapes and sizes and colors. Usually they run somewhere around $75, $85 installed. To me, it's necessary. Latch guard first and foremost on any door that you're wanting to protect. Stay tuned to our YouTube channel for more content. We're going to be pumping out a lot of videos this year. Please also hit the subscribe button for us and subscribe to any of our content, and also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, you name it. We're just about everything. Have a good one.